In project 12-2, we are going to make a column chart and do a couple things to the chart, learn how to do a few more things. So we've got some basic information here, some data, salaries for entry-level positions here. Let's select the data. Let's get all of this minus any titles. So A3 through B10. Click the Insert tab, and instead of a pie chart this time, let's do a column chart. And let's do a clustered column. It's just the first option there. And it gives us the numbers, a range of numbers, each category or each position, as well as the salary for that position. So now you can really see, or this is another representation visually of the data. If we looked at all of these numbers here, it would take us, a few seconds to see what the highest salary was for all of those. But if we look at this information, it's really easy to see right away what the highest salary is, starting salary. So we've got the information. Let's change it just a little bit. We've got a chart title. Let's change that chart title to entry-level salaries. So when we put it on, if we put it on another sheet, we know exactly what it's talking about. And so let's do that. We can click the Move Chart button, or if we right-click anywhere in the blank area. So there's different places we can click, and it clicks on different things. So we got to be careful where we click, depending on what we're doing with it. But if you click in the blank area somewhere, right-click actually, and Move Chart. Just a different way of accessing that same thing that we did previously. And let's call it salaries. Click OK, and again it moves it to its own sheet, and we've got the chart there. It's got a title so we can tell what it is. Now on the axis, the vertical axis right here, it's got numbers, but let's add to that and make it display in dollar amounts. So if you right click on it, now be careful not to click in the blank area because you'll get different options when you right click. So right click right on a number, and as long as it's selected there, it will give us the right options here that we want. So we are going to Format Axis down here at the very bottom, and it brings open this menu on the side, which has a lot of things we can do to that vertical column there, vertical axis. We are going to go over here to the axis options, and we want to display, let's see, the number. Let's click down here on number. We're going to change the format from number to currency. So like we can do in the Home tab right here, changing this information. We can't do it in the chart from here, so we have to do it over here, the Format Axis. Right click, Format Axis, and under number, change it to currency. And then it gives us our dollar signs so that we can tell that it's money that we're talking about. And that's it for this one. Save this workbook and go on to the next one.